Hi Bob, how are you doing?
Hello, Joe. I'm burning in hell, man. What's the weather like in heaven?
Oh, it's just another beautiful and perfect day in heaven, like always.
That's good to hear. It's really dark and hot right now where I'm at.
How is Grandpa doing?
Oh, he's just screaming in agony a little more than usual. Can't you see him roasting from your mansion in heaven?
I am not sure. I can barely see you from my balcony.
Oh, Grandpa is just southwest of me.
Oh, there he is. Hi Grandpa. Don't you wish you were nicer to Grandma and me now? Ha ha ha. Anyways, it was nice seeing you, Bob. I have to go and play the harp and sing praise songs.
It was good seeing you again, Joe. Say, any chance you can get me a drop of water? My throat is awfully parched.
I will try my best, Bob, but you know I cannot cross that gap to get to you in hell. Well, goodbye.
See you later. I will still be here when you visit again, being tormented for all of eternity and all that.